So sometimes you probably wonder why some sunglasses doesn't look good on you, or it looks good on some people, but then when you look at it, you're like, I think I would like to have this in my collection, and then you go ahead and then buy it. And then what happens when you put it on? It doesn't look good on you, and it's not look like what I ordered versus what I got. You might also be wondering why your makeup doesn't really sit well on you, but then you followed somebody's tutorial online, but then it looks like something is missing. There's a reason why that is happening. You also wonder why your type of hairstyle doesn't really look good on you, but then the person you copied it from, it looks spectacular. There's a reason why all those things are looking like that. And now in this video, you're going to be covering the face shape and what you should know about a particular face before you go ahead to tap into all these things. Let's begin. Now let's talk about the types of face shape. Now we have the 6 most common types of face shape on the internet. I mean, we have many, but these ones really do stand out. So you're looking at the heart shape, we have the square faced, we have the diamond, we have the oval, we have the round, and we have the oblong face shape, which is like the long, like oblong or long face shape. So you might ask yourself, why does it matter that I have to do my face shape? Now these are the benefits. If you know the kind of facial, the type of facial that you have, it is going to, one, help you choose the type of lenses, okay, or the type of frame for your lenses. It will also help you choose the type of hairstyle that's going to help frame your face beautifully, and it will also help you know how to contour your face when it comes to your makeups, okay? And when you understand these things, styling becomes 10 times easier and even more fun. Let's begin. Now the first thing we are going to do is to pull our hair backwards. So you can do this in front of a mirror. Try and pull your hair backwards, okay? Pulling your hair backwards is going to help reveal all parts of your face. So you can decide to take a selfie of your face just so it can help you better. Or if you stand in front of the mirror, just use a marker, not permanent marker, but just marker, something that can just help you, or your lipstick or anything that can just help you mark out the things I'm going to be talking about right now. In trying to find out your face shape, you're going to be measuring out 4 distinctive parts on our faces. Now, the first thing you're going to be measuring is your forehead width, and it's supposed to start from this place, okay? That's where you have this corner in for your hair, this place. I don't know how to explain, but yeah, this point here. So I'm going to be using my tape, so I'll just place it there from this point to this point. Okay, that's approximately where you have, I think it's the ending of your eyebrow or something. So I'm just going to measure from that point to here. So now this is now my forehead width, okay, and I'm going to record this out. The next thing I'm going to be measuring is my cheek width. You see this point? Now you're going to pass the tape from this place over your nose down to that part. All right, so now this is now going to give us the width of our cheekbones. Then the next thing we are going to be measuring is our jawline. Now if you look at my face from this point here down to this place, okay, this is where my jawline starts, just underneath my earlobe. This is where my jawline starts. So I'm going to place my tape here, and I'll take this over my lips, okay? So these are that point here, okay? I'm doing this because I'm trying to talk in this video, so yours should come over your mouth directly. Okay, so that's how you're going to measure your jawline width. Then the next thing you're going to be measuring is from this point, as in the length of your face, which is simply from this place down to this point. Okay, so that's like the length of the face. Now these are the things you're going to note. Once you're done measuring all of this, let's get into defining how our face looks like. So now that you've gotten your measurement, let's just keep that aside and then see what this actually means. Now, if your forehead is slightly longer than its width, with a rounded jaw and forehead, this simply means that you have an oval face shape, okay? And you have like the most perfect face shape ever, because girl, anything that you're going to use on that face is going to look good on you. You will not have any problem with your lenses, shades, hairstyles, makeup, and all of that. Everything is going to look good on you. Now, this is an example of celebrities that have the same type of shape. So the first celebrity we're going to be looking at is Rihanna. So Rihanna has an oval face shape, And the second celebrity that has the same type of face shape is Kim Kardashian. Now let's move on to the second type of face shape. Now, if your face shape is as wide as it's long, with soft curves and full cheeks, it simply means you have this baby face energy, and it also simply means that you have a round face shape. Now, these are the type of celebrities that have your kind of face shape. So first of all, we have Selena Gomez, and we also have Kelly Clarkson. I don't know if I said that right. So it's Kelly Clarkson, that's her name, and Selena Gomez. I mean, there are a whole lot of celebrities out there that have a rounded face, so you can always go ahead and then browse that out. The third one is this. If your forehead, cheeks, and jaw are all similar width, and your jawline is sharp, it simply means you have a square face shape. Now, these are celebrities that have your same type of face shape. First of all, we have Angelina Jolie. So the second person is Sandra Bullock. So these two celebrities have your same type of face shape. So you can always look out on them, and also look out on other celebrities that have your own same type of face shape. And the fourth type, if your forehead is wider, chin is narrow or pointed, that simply means you have a heart face shape. And these are celebrities that have your same type of face shape, and you can look up on them. First of all, we have Zendaya. Zendaya has a heart face shape. And we also have Reese Witherspoon. That's the second celebrity that has the same type of face shape. So you can always go ahead and check them out. Now, the fifth one, if your face is noticeable longer than it is wide, okay? If your face is noticeably longer than it is wide, it simply means you have an oblong face shape, or you have a longer face shape. And so fortunately, I happen to be part of the people that have the oblong face shape, because if you look at my face right now, my face looks longer, okay? Everything here looks straight, okay? So it kind of looks longer. I only have a little bit of curve down here. So definitely my face falls among the people that have the oblong face shape. Now, these are the celebrities that have your same type of face shape. First of all, we have Sarah Jessica Parker, we have Roma Willis, and we have Tracy Rose. So these three celebrities have an oblong face shape. You can always go ahead and check out other ones that you feel you're more comfortable with, so at least you will definitely understand how this works. So now, heading to the sixth type of face shape. If you have a narrow forehead and jaw with wide side cheekbones, it simply means you have a diamond face shape, okay? And now, these are the example of celebrities that have your same type of face shape. First of all, we have Vanessa Hudgens. You would know her from High School Musicals. Then we have Jennifer Lopez. These two celebrities here, they have a diamond face shape. You can always go in and then search review on them, you know, just be comfortable, do whatever it is that you like. But then we have a simple tool that is really going to help you analyze your face shape, just in case you really want to get into details. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box, okay? It's a free tool you can use online to check out your face shape. And if you want to get more in depth about your face shape, your skin tone, the hairstyles to make with your face shape, the type of earrings to use with your face shape, every single thing in details, your undertone, every single thing, what to wear, the kind of makeup to use, I already have a workbook or a worksheet that is in the description box. Go ahead and then click that, and it's going to take you down to where you're going to be getting it from. And once you've gotten to know about your face shape, it doesn't mean that every other person's face shape is much better than yours. No, it doesn't. It simply means that now you know where to start from. And if you follow them step by step, okay, just know what your face shape is, you will know the kind of makeup that's going to look good on you, the type of hairstyle that will look good on you, the type of sunglasses that once you put it on, you look instantly beautiful. So that is just it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. On my next video, I'm going to be talking about hairstyles that are going to look good on you and your different face shape. Definitely give me a thumbs up on this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to anybody that you think this might help them. So guys, that is it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, bubbles.